श्री सच्चिदानंद भगवान की जय। जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्णा, जय श्रीमन नारायण। एवरीवन, वेलकम वंस मोर टू त्रिवेणी मंदिर नित्य रविवार सत्संग, where we bring to you a few shlokas from श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण। आइए सभी लोग हाथ जोड़ करके, नेत्र बंद करके, clasping our hands and closing our eyes, let us offer a few prayers to Bhagavan Shri Krishna this morning. सच्चिदानंद रूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रय विनाशाय श्री कृष्ण वयं नमः। वंशी विभूषित करा नवनीरदाभा पीतांबरा दरुण बिंब फलादरोष्टा पूर्णेन्दु सुंदर मुखा दरविंद नेत्रा कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। गौरांगं रसमयो नित्यं रसाचार्यं रसोत्सुकं श्रीमद् रामहर्षं देवाख्यं सद्गुरु प्रणमाम्यहम्। जय जय श्री राधारमण, जय जय नवल किशोर, जय गोपी चित चोर प्रभु, जय जय बोल बंसी वाले की जय, राधारमण भगवान की जय। मन वाणी को पावन करने के लिए, to purify our minds and our voices, let us join in the bhajan sankirtan of Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan. व्रज जन प्रियतम बाल मुकुंदम राधारमणम हरे हरे राधारमणम हरे हरे। जन बाल मुकुंदम राधारमणम हरे केसर तिलकम कृष्ण वर्णनम कृष्ण वर्णनम केसर तिलकम कृष्ण वर्णनम राधारमणम हरे हरे राधा जन प्रियतम बाल मुकुंदम राधारमणम हरे हरे राधारमणम हरे हरे। जय जय राधा रमन प्यारो राधा रमन। ओ जय जय राधा रमन प्यारो राधा रमन। जय जय राधा रमन प्यारो राधा रमन। ओ जय जय राधा रमन प्यारो राधा रमन। 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 जय जय राधा रमन प्यारो राधा। जय जय राधा रमन प्यारो राधा रमन। जय जय राधा रमन प्यारो राधा। जय जय राधा रमन प्यारो राधा रमन। प्यारो राधा रमन प्यारो राधा रमन। जय जय राधा रमन प्यारो राधा। जय जय राधा रमन प्यारो राधा रमन। जय जय राधा रमन प्यारो राधा रमन। बोल बांके बिहारी लाल की जय। बोल कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की जय। बोल राधा रमन भगवान की जय। अलक्षित स्वैरवधूत वेशो व्रतानि चेरे हरितोषणानि। Last week Sunday I told you Vidurji, having left Hastinapur, दुर्योधन ने जब अपराध किया दासी पुत्र कह करके, when he called Vidur the son of a servant, so Vidurji left that place. And as I told you last week, he went and he wandered all of the Tirtha Sthan in Bharat. He went to all of the mandirs of Sri Hari all over Bharat, and wherever he went, Vratani Chere Haritoshanani. Vidurji se sikhiye bandhuon. Whenever you go to Bharat, whenever you go to visit the Tirtha Sthan, hum sab jate hain, all of us go, every year, every other year. But when you're on vacation, that's fine. But when you're going to Kashi, when you're going to Prayag, when you're going to Vrindavan, to prayas karo, you're not there to eat in the fanciest restaurant. You're not there to eat 3 or 4 times a day. Vidurji ne kya kiye hain? Vrat rakhe hain. Whenever he went into Tirtha Sthan, he kept vrat. Obviously, you have to eat something. To prayas karo, zyada se zyada satvik bhojan pao. Try to have as many fruits as possible and to eat the smallest amount of cooked food that you can and to eat very simple food. Haritoshanani. Whenever you are in a Tirtha Sthan, not only when you are visiting the mandir in that place, when you are in Mathura, not only when you go to Janmabhoomi, Vrindavan to वैसे पूरा ही वृंदावन मंदिर है, but when you are in Varanasi, not only when you are on the banks of Ganga, when you are in Kashi Vishwanath, as soon as you step off of that plane or that train or that bus, मन में जप चलना चाहिए. You should be chanting in your mind the entire time, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Because you are on that most pavitra bhumi, जहाँ स्वयं भगवान ने पैर रखे हैं. Now you are standing in that same place. There is power in that place, bandhuon, but for those who do not believe, that power is not available to them. We have many seniors here today. You remember the days when you had a radio and you have to adjust the antenna. And if you move the antenna this way, you catch this station. You move it this way, you catch this station. So all of the radio waves are in the air, but you can't see it. With the help of this antenna, you are able to pick up the signal. Similarly, जब भी आप किसी तीर्थ स्थान में खड़े हो, जब भी आप एक मंदिर में खड़े हो, in any place of worship, when you are standing there, the आशीर्वाद of Bhagavan, the blessings of Bhagavan, Hari Kripa, हर जगह है, आपके सामने है. It is all around you, is in the air in front of you. But we do not have the antenna to access these blessings. We do not have the antenna to access this Kripa. तो what is this so-called antenna we need in our life, बंधुओं? Hari Kirtan, Hari Bhajan, to sing the name of Bhagavan Shri Krishna, to chant His name. When you continue to sing the name of Bhagavan, so your life becomes transformed. There are two things in this world, एक भोजन और एक भजन. भोजन से शरीर प्रसन्न हो जाता है. By having food, the body becomes happy. लेकिन भजन से मन प्रसन्न रहता है. But by having bhajan in your life, by singing the name of Bhagavan, then the mind becomes happy. If I ask you not to have any bhojan today, tomorrow, next day, 3 days, your body will become very weak. You will become very anxious. You will become sick. In the same way, आपके जीवन में भजन भी ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. अगर आज भजन नहीं किए, अगर आज पूजा नहीं किए, so you should feel very anxious. You should feel very disturbed. कि हो आज पूरा दिन मैंने एक भी स्तुति नहीं गाया, एक भी प्रार्थना नहीं बोला. I did not say any prayers today, I did not sing any bhajan today. So the mind should become restless because you are missing something very important. Bhajan. और एक बात है भोजन के लिए. When you have too much bhojan, then the body becomes sick as well when you eat too much. लेकिन भजन में ऐसा नहीं है. As much bhajan as you want to sing, आप दिन भर गाते रहो. एक बात बताऊं, if you have difficulty with sleeping, many people do not sleep well. तो सोने से पहले there are two upayas. One, sing the bhajan of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, or two, get a little book and write the name of Bhagavan Shri Ram. I guarantee you, you'll be able to sleep much better. And not only will you be able to sleep very peacefully, लेकिन आपके स्वप्न में भी you will be able to sing the bhajan of Bhagavan, you will be able to say his prayers. बंधुओं, अगर स्वप्न में भगवान की रूप देख सकते हो तो समझ लीजिए दर्शन हो गया. It is just like seeing him when you are awake, and it is very difficult to listen to the bhajan, the katha and the prayers of Bhagavan in your dreams. It is very difficult. If you are able to listen to these bhajans and prayers, तो समझ लो कि भगवान की विशेष कृपा है आपके ऊपर. That is because of his blessings. Vidurji, as he goes to all of these different mandirs, finally he meets Uddhav. Uddhav is the dear friend of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Uddhav Param Gyani hai. He was with Bhagavan in Mathura and he stayed with Bhagavan in Dwarka also. In fact, Bhagavan ne Uddhav ko Pradhan Mantri bhi banaye hai. Uddhav was the Prime Minister of Dwarka. So Uddhav, being the great friend of Bhagavan Krishna and being a very high level intellectual, when Vidurji met him, to Vidurji ne prashna kiye hai, hey Uddhav, you are so fortunate. Aapka saubhagya dekhe. You are one who is physically with Bhagavan and you are one who understands his Param Tattva also. When I saw his darshan in the Sabha of Duryodhana, Dhritarashtra, when I saw the Virat Swarup, so I know that this is Bhagavan, लेकिन मैं इस परमात्मा को और अच्छी तरीके से जानना चाहता हूँ. I wish to know more about this Bhagavan. आप ही बता सकते हैं. You are the one who can bring me closer to Bhagavan Krishna. देखिए, the power of Katha, the power of Leela. Vidurji is somebody who has gone to all of the mandirs, all of the Tirtha Sthan, फिर भी तृप्ति नहीं मिली. Still he is not completely satisfied. बंधुओं, इस कलयुग में जितने भी तपस्या करोगे, जितने भी दान करोगे, जप करोगे, जितने तीर्थ स्थान जाओगे, you can do all of these things, but still the final piece of this puzzle is Katha. The final piece of your life will always be the Leela of Bhagavan. Even those great intellectuals, those masters of Sanskrit, masters of Ved, masters of Tarka, Shastra, Vedanta, even they cannot find complete peace and happiness without the Katha of Shri Hari, the Katha of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Bol Satchidanand Bhagavan ki jai. Uddhav ne bahut samjhaya Vidur ji ko. He told him about the many different Vedanta of Bhagavan Vishnu, how he created this world, how he sustains this world, about the laws of Prakriti, the laws of Karma. अंत में विदुर जी ने पूछे, उद्धव, can you also tell me about the Bala Leela of Bhagavan Shri Krishna? Uddhav smiles. He says, Vidur bhaiya, iti bhagavata prishta kshetra vartam priyashasam prativaktum na chet se hai Otkantyat स्मृतेश्वर। उद्धव कहते हैं, विदुर जी, if I try to speak the katha of Bhagavan Shri Krishna, then my throat becomes closed. If I try to say his leela, तो हमारे नेत्र में आंसू आते हैं. This throat becomes constricted. मैं बोल नहीं पाता हूँ विदुर. सा कथम सेवया तस्य कालेना जर संगता पृष्ठो वार्तां प्रतिभूय भर्तु पादा वनुस्मरन्। उद्धव जी कहते हैं, I have served द्वारकाधीश, मथुराधीश, Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan my entire life. Even now when I think of him, even now I am not able to comprehend कि उनके बिना कैसे जी रहा हूँ. बंधुओं, उद्धव क्यों कहता है इनके बिना? At this point in Mahabharata, Bhagavan Shri Krishna has already left this Prithvi Lok. He has already left Dwarka. Yaduvansha has already been destroyed. This is much further in the Leela now. Uddhava recounts to Vidurji. He says, Vidurji, Prishto Vartam Prati Pruyat Bhartu Padavanusmaran. Padavanusmaran. Whenever I remember the beautiful lotus feet of Shri Krishna, I feel that I am not even living in this world. I feel that I am in Vaikuntha Dham. Who can speak about the Komal Swabhav of Shri Krishna, Vidurji? Aho Bakiyam Snakalakutam Jighansaya Payayadapya Sadhu Lebhe Gatim Dhatruchitam Tatoyam Kam Vadayalu Sharanam Vraje Kam Vadayalum Sharanam Vraje. When we speak about great people, sometimes we speak about their fame, we speak about their dhan, we speak about their physical strength. Whenever we speak about the avatar of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, whether it is Bhagavan Shri Ram, whether it is Bhagavan Shri Krishna, yes, we speak about his power, kaise Ravan ko mare, kaise Balya Avastha mein Govardhan ko uthaye. But what do we always focus on? Kam Vadayalum Sharanam Vrajema. Uddhav ji कहते हैं, Vidur, such is the compassion of Bhagavan Shri Ram, such is his compassion that वो राक्षसी उनको मारने गई. That demon went there to kill him. She went there to feed him with poison. She put poison onto her breast and then she infiltrated the home of Yashoda Maiya, and then she started to breastfeed Bhagavan Shri Krishna, hoping that this boy will die. कितने गलत भाव है, कितने बड़ा पाप है. This is her motive. She wants to kill this child. Bhagavan Shri Krishna katha to बहुत प्रसिद्ध है. Everybody knows that he drank from the breast of Putana. पहले विष को पिए, फिर दूध को पिए, और फिर पूतना का प्राण को भी पी लिए. Drank the poison, he drank the milk, and he drank the life of Putana also. So what should happen to such a Rakshas? She should definitely suffer for what she has done. लेकिन भगवान की लीला ऐसा नहीं है. कम वा दयालुम शरणम व्रजेम. भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने पूतना को इतने उचित स्थान दिए वैकुंठ धाम में. The place that is reserved for Mata Yashoda, the place that is reserved for Mata Devaki, ऐसे ही स्थान पूतना को भी दे दिए. आप बताओ, कल्पना करिए. He has given Putana a place in Vaikuntha Dham reserved for his mother, because even though she came there to kill him, even though there was poison on her breast, ठाकुर जी ने विचार किए हैं, फिर भी हमारे मासी है, माँ जैसी है, और माँ जैसे काम भी किए हैं. तो क्या मैंने थोड़ा विष पिया, लिटिल बिट ऑफ पॉइजन आई ड्रैंक, ये भी हमारे कर्म है। मेरे वजह से हमारे प्रियतम भोलेनाथ उनको भी विष पीना पड़ा। भगवान शिव had to drink poison because of me, so it seems like today I have to drink a little bit poison myself. लेकिन विष पिलाने के बाद उन्होंने मुझे दूध भी पिलाए। She has given me milk also. इसलिए हमारे माँ जैसे है, कम वा दयालुम शरणम व्रजेम। Uddhav, with tears flowing from his eyes, he tells Vidurji, लेभे गतिम धातृच्युताम तवोन्यम। ऐसे उचित स्थान एक राक्षसी को दे दिए भगवान ने। हे विदुर जी, that Virat Swarup that you have seen in the Sabha of Duryodhan, that is the form of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Forget about that form. उस रूप से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। आप बस बाल गोपाल रूप पर ध्यान दे दो। Think only about the child form of Bhagavan Shri Krishna when he played in Vrindavan Dham, when he played in Gokula Dham. Vasudevasya devakyam jato bhojendra bandhane chikirshir bhagavanasya samjena bhijachitah samveja bhijachitah। उद्धव कहते हैं भगवान श्री कृष्णा द्वारकाधीश, who the entire world is seeing as a divine prince, they only see one aspect of his divine tattva. दो कृष्ण है, दो श्री कृष्ण है, एक वृंदावन भगवान श्री कृष्ण और एक द्वारकाधीश मथुराधीश श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान। Bhagavan Shri Krishna that was in Gokul, that was in Vrindavan, is very different from the Bhagavan Shri Krishna that rules Mathura, that rules Dwarka, and leads the Pandavas to victory in Kurukshetra. Bandhuon, the Bhagavan Shri Krishna in Vrindavan, in Gokul, he steals Makhan, he plays his bansuri, he steals the clothing of the gopis when they go to bathe, he teases Mata Yashoda, he allows her to chase him all around, he puts mud into his mouth. Bhagavan Krishna, when he's in Mathura, he destroys the armies of Jarasandha. Bhagavan Shri Krishna, when he is in Dwarka, he leads the Pandavas to victory. He destroys so many Rakshas. He kills Shishupal by taking his head with the Sudarshan Chakra. मैंने आपको कई बार बताया, जब तक ठाकुर जी व्रज में रहे, तब तक सुदर्शन नहीं उठाए. He never picks up Sudarshan Chakra when he is in Vraj Bhumi. But when he leaves Vrindavan, तो वृंदावन को छोड़ने के बाद ठाकुर जी ने कभी बांसुरी नहीं उठाई. He never picks up the bansuri. He will play the bansuri again when he goes to meet the Vrajavasis many, many, many years later. When he has children and grandchildren and great-grandchildren. और व्रजवासियों से फिर मिलने जाएंगे तो एक बार और माता यशोदा की आज्ञा से, राधा रानी जी की आज्ञा से, किशोरी जी की आज्ञा से हमारे ठाकुर जी एक बार और बांसुरी बजाएंगे. बोलो जय श्री कृष्णा. उद्धव जी कहते हैं, विदुर, हाउ कैन आई एक्सप्लेन टू यू द पावर एंड ब्यूटी ऑफ गिरधर लाल. यू हैव नॉट सीन दिस बाल लीला लाइक आई हैव सीन इट. अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ. व्हेन ब्रज वाज इन डेंजर, व्हेन इंद्र सेंट टोरेंशियल रेन स्ट्रीमिंग डाउन ऑनटू दिस ब्रज भूमि, व्रज को मिटाने की प्रयास किया जब इंद्र ने, सो व्हाट डिड भगवान श्री कृष्ण डू विदुर. वर्षतीन्द्रे व्रजः कोपा भागो मानोति विहल्लः गोत्रलीलात् पात्रेण त्रातो भद्रा नुगुह्यता. उद्धव कहते हैं, can you imagine the scene in Govardhan where 7 years old Bhagavan Shri Krishna picks up Govardhan Parvat ekena hastena on one hand with his smallest finger, and all of the thousands of Vrajavasiyon, they crowd around him as rain pounds this mountain for 7 days. We have so many floods these days in all different countries, and they always say something like, we got 1 year's worth of rain in few hours. That is why our system could not handle it. Bandhu, do not underestimate rain and the power of rain. The power of water is such that it carves a hole into a mountain and creates a waterfall if only a few years pass. Water is very powerful, and when Devendra sends this rain, Musaladhar, one of the raindrops is as large as the mace that Hanumanji is holding in his hand. Bhagavan Shri Krishna picks up a mountain and he covers all of the Brajavasis as he protects them. And all of them dance with Bhagavan Shri Krishna for 7 days and 7 nights. Ab main nacho bahut gopal, ab main nacho bahut gopal, ab main nacho bahut gopal, ab main nacho bahut gopal. काम क्रोध को पहरी चोलना, काम क्रोध को पहरी चोलना, कंठ विषय की माला, अब मैं नाचूं बहुत गोपाल, अब मैं नाचूं उद्धव जी कहते विदुर, इफ यू वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट भगवान श्री कृष्णा तो एक और श्लोक मैं आपको सुनाता हूँ. ही टेल्स विदुर जी, शरच्छ शिखरैर्मिष्टं मान्यन् रजनी मुखं गायन् कल्पदं रे मे स्त्रीणां मण्डल